Alright, so that was the 501 Queen Streetcar number 4428 I was just on. That took me all the way here at Humber Loop from the intersection of Queen and Spadina near the Chinatown neighborhood. And it's another beautiful sunny day on a Thursday afternoon, but somehow chilly, feeling like minus 5 degrees Celsius. But right now we're currently sitting at minus 3 degrees Celsius. And we're here at Humber Loop, as I mentioned, in the borough of Etobicoke. And just way over there will be the Queensway, and then we're looking west. So I thought I would come here and do a streetcar action at Humber Loop since I haven't done a video at Humber Loop in a really long time. So I thought I would quickly record this video. So as you can see, there's the 501 Queen Streetcar number 4428 that I was just on, and the other streetcar is number let's see what number it is, 4412, and these streetcars will head back east all the way towards McCall Street. And as of November 19th of 2023, which was last year, the 501 Queen Streetcars have finally returned to Humber Loop. But there's also another route that's serving Humber Loop, and that is the 507. I think that's the 507 Long Branch, if I'm not mistaken. And it will take you west from here to Long Branch. Or I think it's the 507 Long Branch. Let me check on my phone for a second and see. Yep, I was right. It's the 507 Long Branch. Anyways, I guess I won't stay here too long. Maybe for like another 20 minutes while I capture these streetcars. But I think I hear the 507. Oh, there's the 507 Long Branch, and it'll make its way back west towards Long Branch. So unfortunately, the 501 Queen Streetcars will no longer head west all the way to Long Branch. It used to go all the way to Long Branch in the previous years, but unfortunately, the 501 Queen Streetcars and the 507 Long Branch streetcars got separated. So, in other words, the 507 will head back west to Long Branch from Humber Loop, number 4507. Oh, and I see another streetcar. Wow, that's so noisy. And here comes 4419. So I guess we'll stay around here for now. So the 501 Queen is still laying over for now before it will head back east towards McCall Street. So that's number 4412. So as I mentioned, the 501 Queen streetcars used to continue west all the way to Long Branch from Neville Park. But this time the 501 Queen will only go up to Humber Loop, and then we'll loop around and head back east towards. Well, for now, these streetcars will head back east up to McCall Street because of the Ontario Line construction along Queen between McCall and Broadview Avenue. So that has been replaced with the 501 Queen replacement bus service. So this is the 507 Long Branch. So the 507 will be laying over for now. Number 4419. Oh. And the 501 Queen number 4412 is about to leave. So let's quickly capture it. Here it goes. And there's my streetcar that I was just on. Number 4428. So that was 4412. There's also another route that serves Humber Loop, and that is the 66 Prince Edward. So there are actually two branches. One is the 66A that will take you all the way south to here from Old Mill Station, and then the 66B will head south from Old Mill to Lakeshore, which is by the Humber Bay Shores. So the streetcar behind it is 4510, and that is the 501 Queen. So we got both the 501 at Humber Loop, and as well as the 507 Long Branch. So there it is. There's the 507, number 4419. And I'm hoping to record this route maybe maybe in a few weeks. I was going to record the 507 Long Branch today, but didn't have the opportunity. So I'll save that streetcar ride video for next time. So again, this is 4419. So I think the 507 Long Branch should depart in about I would say another 5-10 minutes, or maybe less than 5 minutes, but we'll see. For now, I don't see the streetcar operator is probably taking its break. But as you can see, Humber Loop is very peaceful on a Thursday afternoon. And it looks like that I'm the only one that's filming. So just way over there is where you'll see the 66A Prince Edward that will come to Humber Loop, and then it will do a layover for about, I would say, another 5 minutes before that route heads back north to Old Mill Station. So earlier, like a few minutes ago, when I was exiting the streetcar, the 501, I captured the 66A Prince Edward that's in the LFS that was making its way back north towards Old Mill Station. So you can see we're really not that far from Humber River, from Humber Bay Shores is what I meant to say. So it's just right around the corner. And yeah, so now we're at 15 minutes and 20 seconds. So maybe I'll end my video at the 30-minute mark. So we got both the 507 Long Branch and both the 501 Queen. So I think I'll wait for this streetcar, number 4419, to depart from Humber Loop. So again, this is the Queensway, looking west towards Royal Oak Road, Islington Avenue, and towards Kipling Avenue, and this is where the 80 Queensway runs by. Oh, I think the streetcar is about to depart, the 501 Queen. Look, now we got 3 Queen streetcars. So there is another 507 Long Branch, number 4531. And here we got the 501 Queen, 4428. That was my streetcar. And I rode the streetcar from Queen and Spadina up to Humber Loop, which is where I am right now. So I think this streetcar, the 507 Long Branch, is about to depart, and there is the other 507 Long Branch just behind it. There's like 5 streetcars at Humber Loop. So I'm gonna capture the 501 number 4428, which was my streetcar. Oh, I think the Alright, there it goes. So there goes the 501 4428 and the 507 Long Branch number 4419. So there is number 4510. Look, there is the 66 Prince Edward bus that will make its way back north to Old Mill Station, and I recently recorded that route 2 times for my channel. That was back in mid-August. That was back on August the 23rd, and I already have that video uploaded on my channel before. So that's the Novella Fest number 3347. So I can't believe that I'm capturing the streetcars, the 501 Queen, the 507 Long Branch, and just one bus here, the Novella Fest number 3347. So now we're at 21 minutes and 7 seconds. So I think I'll end my video in about maybe 9 minutes. And then after this video, I'll take the 66 Prince Edward, and I will take me back north to Old Mill Station. So there is number 4537. That's the 507 Long Branch. And the weather is not really that cold. I mean, it is somehow chilly, minus 3 degrees Celsius, but feeling like minus 6, according to the forecast. So how cool is this? We got one bus, and we got at least 1, 2, 3 streetcars. Well, that's amazing. So let's see which vehicle will depart first. I'm thinking the 507 Long Branch might depart, or something, or maybe the 501 Queen. I mean, who knows? But I can't believe I've been riding these Novella Festas for like years now. And of course, you'll see these buses on one of my home routes, the 39 Finch East and the 25 Don Mills. So those 2 routes are definitely my home route. And yeah. So the time should be 3:59 p.m. And we're only at 23 minutes and 30 seconds. And I started this video, I think around 3:30 p.m. where I was on the 501 Queen Streetcar number 4428 that took me here from Queen and Spadina in the Chinatown neighborhood. But again, happy Thursday. Hope everyone's having a great Thursday afternoon here in the city. So I'm thinking this bus will depart. Yep. It will head back north to Old Mill Station. Alright, here it goes. Alright, so now we're down to 4 streetcars. And I see the other 507 Long Branch just way over in the distance. And it's coming from Long Branch. And again, you can tell that Humber Loop is very peaceful on a Thursday afternoon. I mean, it is still the afternoon rush hour because it is only 4 o'clock, and rush hour began like an hour ago. Oh, but I see a GO train that will make its way to Port Credit, and I remember recording a GO train ride from Union Station up to Port Credit with my 2 awesome friends, Liam and Henry. So that was fun times, and that was on Christmas Eve when I recently reached the big 1K subscribers. And I see another eastbound GO train that will make its way east up to Union Station. Oh, and number 4428 is about to depart Humber Loop, and we'll head back east to McCall Street. Oh, there goes the 507 Long Branch. Wow, it's so noisy. And here comes 4492. Alright, so I guess I'll end my video in about 3 minutes, because now it's been almost 28 minutes. So again, I do plan on to record the 507 Long Branch from here to Long Branch in the coming weeks. Oh, now we got 2 streetcars, both the 501 Queen. Maybe I'll go a little bit further and check out both the 501 Queen streetcars. So there is number 4533, and we'll head back east to McCall Street from Humber Loop. Alright, so I think we're almost at the 30-minute mark. So far it has been a fun streetcar action along at Humber Loop. I think we've captured at least 10 streetcars in a row. So that's pretty amazing. Oh, I think that's the Viva train heading to Union Station in the downtown core financial district. So I'm thinking I guess the 507 Long Branch is still laying over. But I think we are going to wrap this one up. So I want to thank you all so much for watching this video, and don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and all that fun stuff. I have an Instagram account at Japan TTC Explorer, and there's also a super thanks button below this video if you all wish to say thanks that way as well. So I'm going to be recording the 66 Prince Edward that will take me back north from here to Old Mill Station. And now we're at the 31-minute mark. So happy Thursday, and stay warm, stay safe. Have a great rest of your evening, and I will see you guys next time.